Airology Systems have completed the design and installation of theatre and treatment room air handling for SpaMedica Worcester, a leading provider of cataract surgery. Airology carried out a detailed survey of the site and, in conjunction with SpaMedica's requirements, provided a complete design for the project. The design included detailed layout drawings, encompassing duct work arrangements, refrigeration configurations, and positioning of essential equipment. Following design approval, Airology's project manager carried out a pre-start meeting with the client to discuss project commencement dates, lead times, and potential challenges. Airology had a 10-week program to complete the installation works, conduct comprehensive testing, commissioning and system validation, ensuring optimal functionality and performance. On completion, the project was handed over to the client, facilitating the transition to operational status.